Really? Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Chibuzo Irebute, and in this video I'll be showing us how I achieved this hair updo using a crochet, a hair bun, and a leftover passion twist I used for a hairstyle. So if this sounds like what you're interested in knowing or watching, please stay till the end of the video. Show me some love by liking, commenting, and sharing these videos to your loved ones. So I'm starting by cutting the extension into two to make room for a shorter extension so that it doesn't get in the way when I crochet it into the hair bun. So using my crochet pin, I'll just be attaching it one by one round the hair bun. For better understanding, I would let us watch this video closely. Pay close attention till the end to understand every bit of the step. I would come in where I need to explain one or two things. At this point, you know it's very important to stay till the end. Once you're done with the base, you just go ahead and continue from the top so that you get to cover as much space as possible so that you don't have a black bun showing when the hair is done. like I said, try as much as you can to fill up the spaces where there are black bonds showing, till the extent that you don't see any black bond showing out. Then you know you are good to go, and then start unraveling as much as you need to so that you get a fluffy side. As you can see, I'm trying to fill up some spaces where there are still black bond showing, so that I would be able to get what I need to achieve. This is a versatile hair. You can pull up this look in 5 minutes and then you're good to go. So this is the finished look. This is what it would look like before installing it. So we are heading over to install it on a model, and I'll be using my bobby pin to secure it. What you do is bring the bun where the hole is and place it on the knot. Make sure the knot is right around the hole of the bun, so that once you're securing the hair with the bobby pins, it doesn't go sideways or look tacky. So just watch closely as I secure this and unravel it to make it more fluffy. The next thing to do is to trim the excess and unravel some of the hair so that it looks more presentable, and then unravel, that is splitting the passion twist to give you a fluffy look. Just watch till the end, you'll see the fluffy look I mean. And here we go. This is what it looks like, or what it's supposed to look like. It depends on what you want or what you need to achieve. And yeah, just the way it suits your face, and you can actually pull this off in 5 minutes anytime you need a quick hair to do. If you enjoyed the video, please let us know on the comment section below. Like and share to your family and friends, and we would see you in our next video. Thank you very much.